Did you know that as of the end of 2023, the photovoltaic sector in Europe has experienced remarkable growth with installed solar capacity surpassing 108 gigawatts? But still, managing this immense power efficiently remains a challenge. How can we control the uncontrollable? Hello, I'm Federica from BaxEnergy and thrilled to invite you to Empower Europe this Journey Munich. Join us from the 19th to the 21st at booth B5276, where we'll demonstrate how to maximize the performance of your renewable energy assets through advanced monitoring and control systems. Our Head of Business Development and Sales, Alessandro Lodi, and Senior Sales, Francesco Di Dio, will be there, looking forward to discussing with you about the latest trends in the new renewable energy domain. Don't miss out and schedule your meeting today. Keep an eye out for some exciting surprises we have in store at our booth. Stay in touch and stay empowered. See you in Munich.